Have you ever wondered how some businesses seem to sell out products or services even before you have heard of them? Like they launch something new and boom, it's gone in days. Here's the truth: behind almost every successful campaign lies one powerful tool: the sales letter. Now, don't let the word letter fool you. This isn't about old fashioned snail mail or boring copy. A great sales letter is your 24 by 7 digital salesperson. It's a piece of writing that sells, even when you are asleep. Let's break it down in a way that's simple, relatable, and 100% actionable. So, what exactly is a sales letter? Think of it as your best salesperson on paper. Instead of talking, it writes. Instead of convincing one person, it convinces thousands all at once. Whether it's on your website, landing page, or email, its only goal is to make one thing happen: a sale. A good sales letter doesn't just describe your product, it doesn't throw a list of features or technical specs. No, a good sales letter feels like a one on one conversation. It steps into the reader's shoes, speaks their language, and hits them right where it matters: their problems, dreams, and desires. Imagine this: you are selling a fitness program. A bad sales letter would say, "Our plan includes 5 workouts and diet chart." But a great sales letter says, "You will finally fit into that outfit you have been hiding in your closet. You will have energy to play with your kids again. And when you look in the mirror, you will smile because you have earned it." See the difference? One lists features and the other paints a picture. That's what powerful sales copy does. It transports people emotionally before it convinces them logically. Now, let's go a bit deeper. A sales letter works through a psychological journey, a process that guides the reader from curiosity to conviction. Here's how it goes. Step 1: grab attention. If your headline doesn't stop the scroll, the rest of the letter doesn't matter. Your headline should promise transformation or spark curiosity. For example, discover how to double your sales without spending a rupee more on ads. Step 2: agitate the problem. Remind your reader why their current situation hurts. If they are struggling with inconsistent income, show them what that feels like: the stress, the sleepless nights, the frustration of seeing others succeed while they are stuck. Step 3: introduce your solution. Now, reveal your product or service as the answer. Explain how it solves their problem. Be clear but keep it conversational. Don't oversell. Show how it fits naturally into their story. Step 4: show proof. People don't believe claims, they believe results. So, share testimonials, success stories, or data. Show them someone like them who used your solution and got results. Step 5: make the offer. Spell out exactly what they get, what it costs, and why it's worth more than the price. Highlight bonuses, guarantees, or special limited time deals if applicable. And finally, call to action. Tell them clearly what to do next, like click below to get started, or download now, or join today. Never assume they will just know. Guide them. But here's the real secret: the best sales letters don't feel like selling at all. They feel like helping. When your letter connects deeply, people don't think I am being sold to. They think finally someone understands me. That's when conversion happens. So, if you are an entrepreneur, coach, or creator, you need to master this skill, because in today's world, attention is currency, and your words are the tools that turn attention into income. If you learn to write persuasive sales letters, you can sell any product, any service to any audience ethically and effectively. Now, here's something you should remember: your sales letter isn't just a document, it's a system that works while you don't. You write it once, refine it, and it keeps bringing results again and again. And that's what makes it so powerful. So, if you want to dive deeper into creating your own high converting sales letters and other digital assets, that builds a sustainable business. Join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. Inside, you will find free and premium courses, practical templates, and a group of like minded people who are all building their dream businesses just like you. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, share this with a fellow entrepreneur, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Remember, words sell, and when you master the right words, your business will never be the same again. Bye.